Welcome back to my channel for another video. So, a little bit of a different video for you today, guys. First of all, I'm back in Scotland, back in Glasgow. So, I'm back really just for the Christmas period. So, don't know how long I'll be here, and then I'll be off again. So, this is the lifestyle that I've chosen. I'm a digital nomad. That's what I am. So, this is a little bit of a different video now. I've not done a video like this, my God, in well over a year. It's been well over a year since I've done this kind of video, so something a little bit different. So you guys have been asking me how I identify what stocks that I'm going to trade. Now, I have been trading the same stocks for a number of years now. CCL, NCLH, DAL, BAC, BYND. So it's kind of like 4 or 5 stocks that I predominantly trade, and I've just kept an eye on them over the years. But for you guys, some of you guys that are starting out, that are new to the business, you want to identify stocks to trade. Where do you start? You know, because how do you pick a stock? Do you just hear something on the news, or do you just randomly pick a stock? Well, the best way to do it is to actually have that information given to you. Okay, so how you do that is you do that through what's called pre-market movers. And there's a website that I've used now for a number of years, and it's called CNN Pre-Market Movers. So the American TV station CNN. So Pre-Market Movers. It's a very good website that I've been using for a number of years now. The list isn't extensive. It's not a huge list. It is quite small. But basically what that gives you is it gives you the volume of the stock in pre-market, which will continue to change, and it will also give you the percentage change in pre-market, which again will continue to change. Okay, so what you're looking for is you're looking for a stock that is moving 3-4% pre-market. Okay, now what I will say as well is I don't perform pre-market analysis on stocks anymore. Okay, so previously I used to, but I've changed my strategy to suit my own kind of personality and my own way of trading. So even if I was to find a new stock, I would literally just take this pre-market mover, identify the stock, and I would probably just do a real quick check on the stock on the actual chart for the last day, last week, last month, last year. Just a little quick check. The reason for that is because I don't trade the news. You know, I put a video out a number of months ago. I do not trade the news anymore. I don't trade rhetoric. I don't trade market sentiment. I purely trade my 2 patterns, and that is it. Okay, so my approach to the market is extremely simplified. I literally just trade 2 patterns. Okay, so, and obviously there's a lot more to the patterns, but it just means that the actual process for me is very simplified, and it's very consistent, because I don't read financials in terms of the companies, you know, that I'm trading with. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you know, I've not gone into the financials of this company because that is not my strategy anymore. Okay, that's not something that I do. I literally just trade my patterns. So make sure you smash that like button. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And as usual, guys, if you want to contact me or follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is sambora.00. The Sambora family continues to grow, almost 600 students now. It's a nice small little community. There's a number of guys now that are, and girls, that are full-time traders. But as usual, I've said it before, there's no overnight success. They have to put the work in. They have to put a lot of work in. And there is guys in the community making consistent profits, which is absolutely fantastic. It's not just me. So if you want to find out more about joining the team, message me, Instagram, sambora.00, or you can send me an email, eduardosambora@yahoo.com. So hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. So this is the amazing thing about the job that I do. You know, I can literally pack a bag, you know, another bag with my laptop, iPad, all my technical equipment that I need, cameras, etc., and just hop on a plane. That's the freedom that I have. So, you know, I am literally a digital nomad, literally, because I don't have a fixed address anymore. Literally, I do officially, but I'm not actually living anywhere particular. You know, I just stay in hotels, rent apartments for a couple of months, all of that kind of stuff. So obviously I'm back in Scotland for some family stuff,
and I'll be off again soon. I don't know where. I quite fancy Italy this time. I've never been to Sicily, so I really fancy Sicily. But again, this is the great thing about the job that I do, and the opportunity that it gives you to go out and do what you want, just to be free, not to have a boss. And this is what it's all about for me. This is why I started trading in the first place. This is why I wanted to get educated, because this is what I wanted to do. Okay guys, so this has always been my favourite pre-market mover. So if you type in CNN pre-market movers, it comes up. So it comes up, the list isn't extensive, but it's enough. There's always something on it that you can trade. So what I'm looking at is my familiar old trade on CCL, so the Carnival Corporation. So at the moment the price is $19.33. The change at the moment, it's up almost 4% pre-market, which is nice, and there's almost 800,000 in volume. Okay, so that's what you're looking for. Okay, you're looking for a good price. The volatility shouldn't be too dramatic at $22, well, $19. It is up 4%, so that's what we're looking for. We're looking for something that's moving pre-market. So what you also want to do is you can go in and just Google in CCL stock, and it gives us a chart here on the 1 day, and you can move it all the way down to year to date or even 5 years. So it's a good idea just to have a look at the day, the 5 day, to see where it was, where it is now, 1 month as well, just to give you an overview, 6 months and year to date. Okay, it doesn't take long at all. So here's the open. So CCL, so we're waiting. Okay, so market has just opened, nice little pullback there. So I'm actually going to get ready. So the great thing about my broker, Colmex Pro, I can go in, I'm going to put in 2,000 lots, and I've not pulled the plug just yet. I'm waiting for a nice little pullback here. Another great thing about Colmex Pro, you've seen that this little information screen drop down. I've taken it away now because I don't want to interfere with the actual trade itself. So I'm ready to go, and that's the great thing about this broker, is I've literally ready to go. I just have to press buy, which is what I'm going to do. So there we go, we're in. Very quick. Okay, execution with this broker is very, very quick, as you can see, straight in, straight away. And you see in there's a watch list. Okay guys, you can create a watch list, very easy, and it means that you don't need to search. A lot of brokers, you've got to search for your for the stock that you want to trade. With Colmex Pro, you can create your own watch list and have as many as you want, and that's what I've done. Okay, so it's really quick. I really truly do love this broker. The execution is quick. There's no restrictions in terms of a 2-minute rule, anything like that, So the execution is really, really quick. I do like the chart as well. It doesn't need to be complex. It doesn't need to be 100 million lights flashing. Okay, so just looking for it to recover here, and it should, because my entry was pretty good. So, but yeah guys, you've seen how quick my position was executed. I'm just going to up this. I'm going to put another 1,000 lots in, take that up to 3,000 lots, because I'm confident now. And again, that's the good thing about this broker, you can add to your position. So look at that, 1.7 million, 1.8 million. So I'm looking at that. There's volume coming into this stock now. Okay, I'm going to put that back onto 1 minute chart. Now look at the space that's after being created. This gives me confidence to hold this, because look at that sell off on the open. Still 1.8 million of volume, and gives you all these different pieces of information. I suppose one of the biggest, or one of the most favorite aspects of this broker is everything is so quick. Look, boom, I've just put another 1,000 lots in there because I'm super confident now, and look how quick that was executed. Again, I've never had an issue with any lagging with this broker. As soon as you press a button, boom, the information is there, or your trade is executed. It's super quick. So $485, so a nice little return. So remember guys, that's the process that you should use if you're looking for a stock. Now, maybe you want to look more into financials. Okay, so you can do that. When you type in the stock and the chart comes up, if you click on news, it will give you all the most relevant and up-to-date information, plenty of articles if that's what you want to do. As I said, my process is very much more simplified. You know, I just look at the stocks. I stick to the same stocks all the time. And that's actually something that you should consider, you know, is continuing to trade the same stocks, you know, not swapping and changing them, because you want to become consistent. You want to become familiar with the stocks that you're trading. So my advice would be to take a couple of different stocks and just stick to them and become familiar with them. So that's the way forward, in my opinion. So next video, guys, I'll probably do a tutorial on my broker, Comics Pro, because I've not really done one yet, and I've been using them for about 4 months now. So I think that will be my next video, just a little bit more in depth in terms of what you can do, because it's a very good broker. And as I said during the video, the execution is super quick. So hope you guys enjoyed that video, hope you got some value in it, and see you again for more videos.